Hi viewers all over the world, I'm Mr. Bounce, God will honor mathematics solution. So please let's consider the next interesting logic question, and that is logic question 13. The question says, find the least value of y equal to 3x squared minus 4x plus 6 and the corresponding value of s. And we start by saying analysis and solution. I told us anytime a question is given, you should be able to interpret or find out where the question is being set from. So this question is set from algebraic process under the content quadratic graph. And we're asked to find the least value. Oftentimes, when it comes to graphical problems, students may be required to either find the maximum or minimum value of the graph. Okay, and that has to do with y. Okay. So that does it. But I want to put final solution to this. So I just pray that you will, if you can continue to subscribe into my YouTube channel, you will find little or no problem in most mathematical questions, right? So that does it. So let's see. And I want to make it a very, simple by taking it part by part. So to find the least value, I will consider it to be part A, and the corresponding value, which will later come and resolve to be part B. Okay, so let's start by saying from part A for to find the least value. So this is A. I'll now say from minimum value, which is the same thing as least value. This is the formula. This stands for minimum value of y. So 4ac minus b squared all over 4a. So this is the formula for calculating either minimum or maximum value of y. So that does it. I just want to show you something. You know that this is as squared plus bs plus c. Now this is a quadratic format. This is quadratic format. You can equally say y equals to this. So the value of y, which is either minimum or maximum, depends on the value of a here. If a is greater than 0, then we have a U-shape curve. Then here you are required to find the minimum here. But if a is less than 0, then you have the N-shaped curve. So here you have to find the maximum value here. Here you have to find the maximum value. So all depends on the value of A for you to either get minimum value or maximum value. So take note. So that does it. But whether this is the formula for both. But the only thing is that the value of A, whatever that is the coefficient of S squared here, will be the one to give you either minimum value or maximum value. So that does it. That does it. So without waste of time, comparing, coefficients. Comparing coefficient. So we now say comparing coefficient. If 3s squared minus 4s plus 6 equals what? As squared plus bs plus c, right? Now, which implies our A equals, I'm comparing what? Coefficient. A equals to 3, then B equals what? B equals to minus 4, B equals to minus 4, then C equals what? 6, C equals to 6. Okay? Now, we have to substitute all this into this very formula. So it means that which implies 4ac minus b squared all over 4a will become, which implies this is 4 times, our a is 3, our a is 3 times our what? C is 6 minus, this is a b, our b is what? 4. minus 4. Already minus is here, which is this, the open bracket minus 4 squared all over, this is our A is our A, this is 4 times A is our 3. So which implies, let's come to this side now. Yes, the minimal value of y, minimal value of, so minimal value equals, let's see, now when we multiply everything, let's see, then 4 times 3 will give us 12, 12 times 6 will give us 72, 72 minus, this is a minus, this is a index 2, which will cancel this what negative inside. So we have a what 4 times 4 will give us 16. Give us 16 all over, this 4 times 3 will give us 12. So which implies minimal value of y, it implies minimal value of y, okay. Then it's 72 minus c to 16 will give us a 50, okay, it will give us 56 all over 12, right? 72 minus 16 will give us 56 all over 12 equals, this can equally be, simplified further. Let's see whether there's a common factor. Yes, 2 is common and also 4 is common. Let's just use 4 instead of wasting time. 4 into 56, 4 into 5 will give us 1. Remember, 1 into 16 will give us a what? 4. Then 4 into 12 will give us what? 3. Okay, now 3 can go into 14. 3 into 14, without waste of time, we now have a 4.66, just continue like that. So therefore, the minimal value of y equals, so by approximation, we can equally approximate this, because this is 4.66, continuously. So we can approximate it to the nearest whole number. So it will give us y equals, is approximately equal to what? 5. And that is all to this. So I think this is where we will stop as part A. That's, to find the least value of y. Y will come back for part B. I will come back for part B to find the corresponding value of S. So viewers all over the world, please, if this logic question, especially the part A of it, on how to find the least value of a y is interesting, I advise that you continue to subscribe into my YouTube channel. So we'll come back for part B of it. So thanks.